Now your ABC7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Temperatures creeping up to that 77-degree mark, creeping up to that 80-degree mark as we head into the next hour or two. It's at 67-degree dew point, which feels kind of sticky out there, and that south-southwest wind continuing to bring the humidity up as well as the temperature as well. 10-mile-an-hour wind right now. We have a mix of sun and clouds out there. Most everywhere you look, temperatures are at or close to the 80-degree mark, or even slightly above in some cases. 81 in Arcadia, 81 in Myakka Parish, Bradenton. We'll see these temperatures in inland areas, I think, probably get pretty close to the mid-80s today, while along the coastline will be pretty close to the 80-degree mark as well, but mid-80s in inland for sure. That'll help develop that sea breeze front that'll help spark a shower or two in inland areas, but keep the coast fairly quiet. 82 we'll go with for the temperature officially at the airport this afternoon. By 3 p.m. we'll have a few scattered showers around, but not necessarily close to the coastline. They'll be well inland, I think. And then by 77, as the showers die off, we'll have a temperature of about 77 degrees. Overnight tonight, temperatures fall into the mid-60s, sort of similar to what they did this morning. I think tomorrow will be a similar kind of day once again, with the exception that in the second half of the day, I think we'll see a little bit more cloud cover around because of a developing frontal system back to the west. Across the peninsula, everything's very quiet right now. We have, across the United States, though, a little bit less than quiet weather. We have, in fact, developing a frontal boundary with a low pressure area attached to it that could have the potential of producing a round of severe weather a little bit later this afternoon as things heat up in the Central Plains and the heartland. We have showers and thunderstorms along a warm front lifting north and a cold front developing showers and thunderstorms along it as well. This whole energy mass moves off to the north and to the east. So even though we are going to get that cold front moving through here, we won't get the potential of severe weather. In fact, cross your fingers because we'll be lucky to even get any rainfall, and we really could use some. A frontal boundary kind of basically washes out as it sinks southward. So as it sinks southward, these rain showers kind of dissipate away, and we only get a very minimal chance of seeing any showers. Frontal boundary comes through tomorrow, but what it will do is bring us some lower humidity air. It'll shift our winds around, draw down that low humidity air from the north, and bring us several days of very comfortable weather. Mostly sunny today with a mix of sun and clouds. This area outlined here in red is now a real hot zone, a moderate risk of severe weather. That's pretty close to as high as you get. I mean, occasionally you will see the Severe Storm Prediction Center outline an area with that kind of a violet color there for the high risk, but that is about as high as you see on a regular basis, and that's for tornadoes as well as large hail, gusty winds all through the Ohio Valley, stretching down into Kentucky and Tennessee and parts of Alabama as well. We don't really have a whole lot of an issue around here in terms of any kind of severe weather risk for the remainder of the week. Look for a southwest wind to become more southerly and lighter this afternoon. Smooth conditions to a light chop on bay and inland waters. And the forecast calls for 82 for today's daytime high temperature, 80 by tomorrow with a few more clouds around. And then as we head into the next several days, sunshine and low humidity air Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Followed by, as we head into Sunday, increasing cloud cover once again with the second front of the week moving in. Second front, I should say, of the 7-day forecast moving in and bringing us that chance of rainfall before some drier air on Monday.